DJI has returned with a bang, and this latest reveal shatters every preconception we had about action cameras. Just when the Action 5 Pro seemed like the pinnacle of rugged innovation, DJI slipped away to craft something that pulses with tomorrow's energy. Meet the DJI Osmo Action 6, a compact powerhouse that doesn't merely document your escapades, it weaves itself into the very fabric of them, turning raw moments into vivid, heartfelt tales. If you're convinced the action cam game is played out, hold on tight, because DJI has just redrawn the map. What adventure are you itching to capture with a camera like this? Drop your thoughts in the comment below. I'd love to hear your wildest ideas. For years, DJI has ruled the skies with their drones, but it's the action lineup where they've been forging a quieter, yet no less epic, saga of ground-level grit. From the scrappy debut of the original Action right up to the razor-sharp Action 5 Pro, each iteration chipped away at the impossible, inching us closer to perfection. But the Action 6? This one's a game-changer, a leap that doesn't just tweak the dials. It reimagines a dance between you and your gear. At the center of it all is smartwatch integration, a seamless bridge that transforms your wrist into a silent co-pilot. Picture yourself charging through a mist-shrouded forest trail, heart pounding, camera harnessed to your chest like a trusted ally. No halting mid-stride to wrestle with controls. A simple flick on your watch kicks off the record. Another summons a heart-racing slow-mo. It's not just handy. It's like the camera anticipates your every move, blurring the line between tech and instinct. This wrist-bound wizardry steals the spotlight for the Action 6, marking the first time an action cam links up so intuitively with your smartwatch. Apple Watch owners revel in buttery-smooth commands that feel like an extension of thought, while Garmin devotees unlock insider perks, pulling in metrics like cadence and power output, gold for pedal pushers, trailblazers, and iron distance warriors. Your arm becomes a nerve center. Fire up recordings, flip through modes, or glance at live vitals, all without missing a beat. Yet the magic runs deeper than ease. It's the spark that ignites true narrative fire. As your watch tracks the raw poetry of your push, the spike in pulse, the climb in elevation, the dip in oxygen, the surge of velocity, it layers it all onto your clips. Rewind to that grueling ascent, and it's not just visuals replaying. It's a full symphony of your effort, heart thundering in sync with the screen, pace faltering on those sheer inclines. This elevates your videos from flat records to living archives, blending the world's rush with your body's whisper, crafting memories that resonate long after the sweat dries. Diving into the soul of the machine, the Action 6 boasts a commanding 1-inch CMOS sensor, a giant in the pint-sized world of action cams, devouring light and detail with insatiable hunger. That expanse translates to footage bursting with crisp edges, lush hues, and a defiance of dim corners. Whether you're chasing dawn's first glow, dusk's fiery farewell, or the muted blues of an underwater realm, DJI touts a staggering 13.5 stops of dynamic range, ensuring your peaks of brilliance and valleys of shadow emerge in perfect harmony, no matter how wildly the light conspires against you. The payoff? Clips that breathe with cinematic soul, never bland or blown out, but alive, immersive, ready to pull viewers into the fray. Carve fresh lines down a sun-drenched slope or probe the secrets of a shadowed cavern, and every frame emerges as a masterpiece, sharp and soul-stirring. When it comes to unleashing the footage, DJI unleashes without restraint. Crank it to 8K at 30 frames per second for that ultra-crisp, big-screen polish you can slip into your pocket. Crave fluidity? Dial into 5.3K at 60 frames per second to make motion sing. And for those craving to stretch time itself, 4K at 120 frames per second delivers slow motion silk so lush, it feels like a dream woven in real time. Ideal for dissecting thrills, lingering on the exquisite drag of waves curl or a leap's defiant arc, all while preserving every whisper of nuance. It's the toolkit of a seasoned director, distilled into something featherlight and fierce, handing vloggers, wanderers, and storytellers a range to sculpt with unbridled flair. Shifting to its form, the Action 6 greets you with a nod to familiarity, yet whispers a bold evolution upon closer inspection. Sure, it's a touch more substantial than its predecessor, but that's the price of progress. Room for that expansive sensor, a beefier power core, and smarter heat dissipation to keep cool under fire. And the best part? It's dive ready from the jump, no clunky housings required. Plunge to 20 meters and emerge with crystal clear tales from the deep, a siren call for wave riders, abyss explorers, and lap enthusiasts alike. DJI's mantra here is liberation. Shed the shackles of add-ons, embrace the wild without compromise. Tough as nails, prime for the edge. If there's a thread DJI weaves with masterful precision, it's the web of connections that keeps you tethered without the tangle. Wi-Fi 6 zips files across in a flash, Bluetooth 5.1 locks in pairings like a vowel, and USB-C with DisplayPort lets you mirror the bigger canvases for on-the-fly scrutiny. For those who thrive on instant feedback, peering at compositions on expansive displays, it's a quiet revolution in workflow, blending raw horsepower with the swift, adaptable grace creators crave. DJI's ear is tuned to the pulse of the field, delivering not just muscle, but the rhythm that lets ideas flow unbroken. Of course, all that brilliance fizzles without endurance, and DJI knew it from the blueprint. Enter the 1,950 mAh battery, a titan that powers through over 4 hours of unbroken 4K glory, outlasting the pack and freeing you from a tyranny of constant swaps. For globetrotters logging endless horizons, urban poets threading city veins, or adrenaline seekers testing limits, it's the unspoken hero that lets the adventure unfold without pause, battery in tow like a faithful steed. Slated for an October 2025 debut at around $329 to kick things off, the DJI Osmo Action 6 is primed to vanish from shelves like mist at dawn. History whispers it, and the buzz confirms it. Whispers from leaks, snapshots, and FCC whispers have simmered for months, each crumb fueling a firestorm of anticipation, and DJI seems all too happy to fan the flames. Those pilfered images? They tease the enduring charm of dual displays. Rear for oversight, front for framing your face in a frame, a vlogger's steadfast companion. But the real enigma lurks in that enigmatic, tablet-like sliver beneath the forward screen. No mere toggle or vent, it teases untold possibilities. Whisper swirl of ambient sensors or a nod to hands-free gestures, and with DJI playing coy, the intrigue only deepens. Whatever secret it guards, it's a reminder. DJI thrives on the thrill of the unknown, and we're all along for the ride. Peeking deeper into the FCC leaves, hints emerge of dual flavors for the Action 6, a nimble standard edition with a 1,770 mAh heart, and a Pro variant swelling to 1,500 mAh weight. No, the filing suggests a split. One at 1,770 mAh for everyday agility, the other at a fuller 1,950 mAh for those demanding more juice and bells. It's a savvy stroke, letting you tailor to your tempo and wallet, whether you're chasing thrift or throne-level prowess. While the Action 6 commands a stage, a bolder shadow stirs on the horizon. Murmurs of DJI's inaugural full-frame mirrorless, a bold stride into the coliseum of Sony, Canon, and Nikon heavyweights. With Hasselblad already in their arsenal, a titan of imaging lore and drones as their proving ground, DJI's video supremacy, dangling promises of 6K or 8K raw capture laced with their signature D-Log palette, a siren song for pros chasing unfiltered truth. Unverified for now, but should it bloom, 2025 could etch DJI's name in the annals of imaging forever. Even if that mirrorless whisper fades to echo, the Action 6 stands tall as DJI's bold dispatch. No trend chasers here, but trailblazers reshaping the path. From wrist-synced intuition to vast dynamic vistas, submersible fortitude, marathon endurance, and frame rates that flirt with film, its evolution etched in every curve. For thrill seekers scaling peaks, vlog visionaries scripting streets, and filmmakers forging fables, this is your new muse, a vessel for voice. The DJI Osmo Action 6 transcends iteration. It's an uprising of ingenuity, fusing ease, might, and spark in ways that echo through the lens. It seizes not just the scene, but the shiver of the soul, the essence of every yarn worth spinning. Raw feeling, unbreakable bonds, echoes that endure. Whether you're etching the roar of a breaker, the bite of a ridge, or the quiet poetry of the everyday, it's got your story's flank. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.